In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect two players to Cuphead. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up two-player gameplay on Cuphead. You will each be able to share the same screen, and this can be done by using an additional controller. Regardless of the platform that you are on, you will need an additional controller. If you are on PC, you can have one player on keyboard and another one on controller, but you cannot have two keyboards, so keep that in mind. But of course, if you prefer, you can also use two controllers. Just choose whatever you want, but like I said, the bare minimum is that you have one additional controller at least. So in order to do this, connect the controller to your PC or console. This is going to differ for every single platform. Usually, the most convenient way is through a cable, so you just plug it into any of the available USB ports on your platform, or you can do this wirelessly. So if your specific platform or your specific controller is wireless, just press the buttons to make sure that it connects. Now, once you are on the world map, as long as you have the secondary controller connected, you should see this message appear periodically. Press any button to join. Even if you don't see this, that's fine. Just press any button on the controller, and as long as the additional controller is being detected by your platform and it was properly connected, when you press start or you press any following button, you will see this message, player 2 has joined on the world map. And each of you will be represented here. So one of you will be Cuphead, the other one will be Mugman. And as you can expect, when you get inside of a level, each of you will be able to control your individual character. Both of you have the HP displayed over here at the bottom left and bottom right corners of the screen, and it is simple to set up. Like I said, this will work for any platform, so PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or a Switch. Just connect the additional controller, and on the world map, what I recommend is that you go ahead and press start or any of the buttons available. As long as the controller is properly detected by your platform, you should be able to join without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two players to Cuphead. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.